Hello, Miguel from Grumo here, and I'm very excited to introduce to you Glide's Big Tables. Finally, we can create big apps, up to 10 million rows. Until now, the limit was 25,000 rows, which was okay for most small to medium-sized apps. But if you are an enterprise and you have a big data set, you need something bigger. And until now, you had to store that data elsewhere and then connect it to Glide, which was not ideal. But now Glide offers a native Glide table called Big Table that can store up to 10 million rows. And I created a test app to see how it would perform with many rows, where I imported 1 million sales records. Here, if you go to data, you can see there is a sales table that has 1 million records. Now, it's very easy to create a new big table. All you have to do is click the plus button and you can here add different data sets, all the traditional ones like Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, Airtable, but now you have a new one called Big Table. When you add a big table, well, you can upload up to 10 million records. So I uploaded 1 million records to do this test. That file was 125 megabytes and it took about 20 minutes to import, which is all right for a data set that big. I imagine if it's 10 million rows, it would take 10 times longer. I'm not sure. But for this test, 1 million rows, I think it was more than enough to do a test. So here, what I did is I aggregated some of this data to see how it would perform. And you can see the total sales, the total orders or sales records in this case is 1 million. And then we have it different values by year, charts by type, continent, everything extracted from this big table with 1 million records. And it performs really well. And the reason why is because unlike before, with big tables, the app only downloads the data that is specific, that each specific user needs at a given moment. Before, it would download the entire database. So if you had an app with 25,000 rows, that would mean that every time a user accessed the app, it would download 25,000 rows of data, which made some apps very sluggish. In this case, the apps are still very snappy, even if your data set is ginormous. And that's exactly what enterprise customer or anybody trying to build a big app was looking for. Snappiness, speed, and the ability to store lots and lots of data. And you can see here under the sales tab that, let me just clear this. We have the million records are available here, but of course, we're only seeing the records that I am looking for. So although you can see pagination here, it doesn't mean that I've downloaded all the records. If I click here on 21, you can see that it's actually downloading records as I go. So here you can see it's downloading and there you go. So it's this is big news. You can perform calculations across all your data set. You can see in these tables, I'm adding the total sales for each continent. And very interesting is that now you would see here the results, but you don't see them because what Glide is doing with big tables, it only performs the query when you need it, not all the time. So if I want to see the result here on the back end, all I have to do is click on each query and you can see how it's retrieving that data on demand. Now on the front end, you don't see this happens automatically, right? But on the back end, if you want to see what's going on, every time you see the query button, that means that it has not performed the query because it doesn't need to perform the query for everything at the same time, especially in a large data set. It's performed on demand. Now it seems slow here, but when you access this app, it's actually very, very snappy. You can play with this app yourself if you go to grumo.com/bigtable, and I'm very excited for this. Now, very important to know that in order to access more than 100,000 rows in big tables, you need a business plan, which will give you up to 100,000 rows of data using big tables. And if you want more, if you want to be able to access up to 10 million, you would use an enterprise plan. Now, if you're a big company, this is very reasonable because 10 million rows of data, it's a lot of data. Again, big tables are only available currently at the time of this recording under the business or enterprise plan. So if one of the reasons why you were not sure if Glide was for you was because of the data limitation, those days are over, and a very exciting future to build big apps with Glide is now possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.